Hello, Coconut World. This is J Delta 22NC. Welcome back to the channel. We got the Savage Mark II. You've seen it on the bench red stock. We are back at the 55 yards lane, give or take a couple of yards, here at Moore County Wildlife and Conservation Club. And today we are shooting SK pistol match. We'll see how he does. Don't you touch that dial. And we're back. We are all set up this time. I think we are. So, okay, we are using the iPhone because it works good with the Ranger Plus picture-in-picture. So, down there, 55 yards, give or take a couple of yards, is the target. I really appreciate you watching. Let's get shooting. Already, and he says we are recording, and look, that left flag. See, I was just telling Jimmy that is here with me. There was no wind, and the minute the camera started rolling, there's the wind. One flag is stuck on the left side. All right, let's give you some zoomies. Already, here we go. You can see me right there. No problemo. All right, let's zoom some more here. Make sure we got those flags so I know the camera is rolling. Already, so let me give you the lot number that you can read down there. Is 05859212124. And I was looking for something, and I ran out into these two boxes of SK Pistol Match. So we're going to try it today. Let me put my ears on. Already, take that flag out. Let's see, one of these magazines got 2 rounds. Yeah, I think this is the one. Look like we loaded a round, I hope. So we are going for that yellow sticky. Right in the middle. We were shooting at 100 yards last time. Of course, off camera. Here we go, yellow sticky. Whoa. Oh my goodness. That is 1 o'clock almost on the green sticky. And I am, oh, I see. I thought I was 0 out. No, I wasn't. That's the reason why. I was almost 1 mil to the right. So I got another round here. We're going to send it on that yellow sticky. It's going to be high. Aiming center mass. That's more like it. That was 1034.4. All right. So there's the win. It never fails, guys. All right, here we go. Let me get my elbow pad here. Get comfy. There we go. Blue sticky. Let me see if I can get you a little bit more zoomies here. There we go. Already. Blue sticky. Aiming center mass. Wow. That was 7 o'clock. Look like the wind is going left. We should be good now. Yes, indeed. That was 1043. Even. Already. Look like we are shooting subsonic. Should be good on this one as well. Absolutely. On the next group, We'll adjust a little bit to the right. We are about half a mil to the left. Already. This trigger is not bad. Would like to have it another 4 ounces lighter. Gonna have to test it to see where it's at. Maybe around 1.5 pounds. Ooh, that was a little low. Yes, that was by the 1. That was 1053.8. Maybe I don't know. It's a breeze, subtle breeze here. Look like we got a little delay on the camera. Yep. Got about a 1.5 seconds delay. So let me move our camera a little bit. Make sure we are, hold on folks. Make sure we are lined up with the camera downrange. All right. I think I need to load around. Oh, I wasn't. I mean, I didn't. All right. Let's see. That should be it. Yep. 12 shots with counting the first 2. Hey, not too bad except that one that went by the 1. SD is 12.6 so far. There's always that one that goes to the bottom or low. Oh, let me adjust here real quick. I think the high might be okay. All right. Already going for the green sticky, aiming center mass. Okay, that was low. That was 1051. Where'd that one land there? Oh, on the sticky. And that was 1055.8. So maybe it's the rifling. I don't know.
No way!
There we go. I think we're gonna, at the end, we're gonna shoot one more. We'll shoot one more. Hold on, let me move the camera here so you can see me. There you go. We're gonna shoot one more on the left sticky. Yeah, that one went to the right. That was 1039.7. Looks like the first group Yeah, we got two low ones there. Wow. The first group was a better group. Yes, indeed. Well, maybe we'll shoot a couple more here too as well. And that should be it. Yes, it was. Hold on. We're going to put 3 more rounds here. That last one was 1044.6. Yeah, they're open up a little. So we're going to put 2 more here for those. Well, actually, let's do 3 here. See if we can get it. See if it does the same thing. See where they land. We'll count all of them, but we'll do 3 here, make it 13, and 1 more on the other one. So let's do 3 more here. There we go. We can see light. We can see the light. All right. That was a little high. 1 more. All right. And we'll do 1 more on the blue sticky. There we go. Already, folks. Well, there you have it. Let me move the camera a little bit so you can see me there. There you have it. Not too bad. The first group was tighter. We did 11 and then 13 on the other one. Let's go down range and take a closer look. Already, let's go down range. So it was cloudy and cool, and now the sun came out and it's warm. And of course, you see the little flag down there moving a little bit, but I mean, that flag was completely straight down before we start shooting. But that's the way it is. As I always say, if the wind ain't moving, you ain't really shooting. All right. Hey, we started pretty good on that first group, and then he opened up. It could be because I was shooting different ammo on Saturday off camera, just testing at 100 yards. So, all right. So we got 2 little groups here. I think there's 11 shots. Look like we got 7 here, 1 here, and 3 here. Not too bad. And then you open up here, well, that big group, we got 1 here low and those 3, and we shot 13, so we got maybe 10 in this area. And actually, this is the one that got away. Hey, not too bad for the Savage Mark II. Oh yeah, that's right. That one here was the first shot that it was my wind dash was off by almost a mil. So, and then we brought it over here, so that's why that one don't count. Absolutely. Alrighty, well, there you have it. Let me get your turn around. So what do you think? Hey, not too bad. So far, everything I throw to that Savage, he shoots it pretty decent. Man, you can shoot some targets with that ammo. So you're always gonna get a flyer, but I mean, I'm very happy with that rifle for the caliber of the rifle that it is. It's not a match barrel, so hey. And as always, I really appreciate you watching. Be safe first, but don't forget to have fun. And God bless you. We'll see you again downrange.